are developing what we call the National Centre for Motorsport Engineering.
There's no other university that offer this level of work experience at the high end of motorsport.
There are many reasons as to why you should come to the University of Bolton. My main reason is the student experience, the community feeling, and the people themselves.